Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make churros batter. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Don't forget 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Finally, have 1 large egg and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract ready. These simple items are the foundation for delicious churros. Now let's get our base ready. In a medium saucepan, combine the 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Place this mixture over medium heat. Stir occasionally until it comes to a rolling boil. It's important that the butter is fully melted and the sugar has completely dissolved into the liquid before moving to the next step. Once your liquid base is boiling, remove the saucepan from the heat right away. This is a crucial moment for our churros batter. Add the entire 1 cup of all-purpose flour into the hot liquid all at once. Now, stir very vigorously with a sturdy wooden spoon. Keep mixing until the dough comes together and forms a smooth, cohesive ball that pulls away from the sides of the pan. For our final step, transfer the hot dough into a separate mixing bowl. Let it cool down for about 5 minutes. This prevents the egg from cooking prematurely. Then, beat in your 1 large egg and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Continue mixing until the batter is completely smooth, thick, and has a beautiful glossy appearance. Your perfect churros batter is now ready for piping and frying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.